a lot of great looking trucks, but I don't know if there's any here that I'm gonna get. Keep down a few more. Found a blacked out edition trail ball. Not really sure I like it enough for 75. But it's got the accents. Oh, this has got the 6.2. Ooh, this has got the 6.2. The other one had the 5.3. Ooh, I think I just like this one a little bit more now. I mean, that's a nice front end. I like that front end. 6.2 with the blacked out rims, blacked out logos. It's nice. Want to say goodbye to it? You want to say goodbye to it? Bye. Say bye. Bye. Bye, Chevy. Oh, something on there. Oh, that's better. It is very hard. Welcome back, East Coast Frank. Kind of a gray Sunday, but I couldn't wait any longer to start this video. As some of you may or may not know, the truck itch got the better of me. So about a week ago, I started looking, getting some ideas for what I may or may not want. Found a truck. Decided that maybe that would be the truck for me if the numbers matched. Met with the dealership, had a great conversation with those guys at O'Regan's here on Roby Street in Halifax. They did a really good job. They met me where I needed to meet in order to get into a truck that I wanted to be in. So traded in the old 2014 Silverado and ended up with my brand new 2022 Trail Boss, and that's where I am today. So we'll give you a look around the truck. It's the 2022 Trail Boss LT Midnight Edition. I absolutely love it. Full leather interior, updated infotainment center. There's my little package with all my doodads in it, but it's got the upgraded interior with all the accents, dual climate control, your updated infotainment center with all your digital readouts, all the nice accents along the dash and the door, the double padding for the armrest, which is nice, the center console, the electronic shifter, which is taking some getting used to, but I do like it. Integrated trailer brake, which is nice. The massive storage compartment, which I still have to figure out. Wireless phone charging, which works really, really nice as well. Everything, it's got the Bose upgraded sound system in it as well, so it thumps nice. Got your two glove boxes, your normal one down below, which actually this can go in, and your one up top. The one up top, you just push the button here, flips open, shut. Everything's nice, soft touch. Stitching, a little bit of extra storage back here for maybe a pair of sunglasses or something. Has all your controls up top here for your lighting, your garage, your sliding rear window, which is nice as well. sliding glass, full leather like I said around, heated seats, heated steering wheel. It's just a nice, comfortable truck. Some of the coolest parts inside the truck is definitely the updated infotainment center. I really do like it a lot. Let's see if we can fire it up here and not get any crazy music playing. We'll turn the climate control off as well. But as far as the features and everything goes, the dash is completely customizable. You can change it to whatever you like, which is nice. Comes with the XM, the OnStar. Everything's free, of course, at first. You got to pay for it after. So who knows what of those features I'll be keeping, but probably not many of them. But the dash is actually kind of cool. So using your pad on the steering wheel, right here, you can select back and forth, scroll with this, and push button to select. So you can go through all your settings, hit back, go to display layout, click, and you can actually change the layout in this one quite a bit. So progressive layout will be like this, which is kind of nice. I do kind of like that one. I don't know if I'll keep that or not. Digital, which kind of just throws everything away and leaves it just with your basic info in the centers. You don't really have any type of a readout other than your normal speedometer up there. And then clean, which is of course clean. You're not going to see too much of anything. It's going to keep everything gone and just show your speed, your fuel rating obviously down below, and anything that might be important down here, lane assist and all that stuff. And your total kilometers on the other side. We've already got 480 kilometers on this. We've been driving it like crazy. But I am going to put it back to classic for now because I do enjoy that. And of course in your centers you can also change what's in the center itself. You can show tire pressure, fuel economy, whatever you may choose to have in there. I kind of like time and temp. And then your right side as well, you can change that information to the compass or time and temp, tire pressure, blah blah blah, fuel economy, all the same. But I kind of like to have the drive mode in there. It looks nice. And then of course your lower gauges, you can change all that. I leave it on the enhanced for the maximum because I like to have all that information readily available to me. And that is it. You can obviously scroll through here and you can get all kinds of other things. Show your phone and everything. There. I like the kilometers in the middle. I don't know why. It's the same as my old one. This is just your normal infotainment, which is the new and updated version of it. You can do the trailer brake and all that jazz in here too, but you know, updated maps. With Google, it's got Google Assist, so you can talk to the truck and you can tell it, hey Google, which I would show you, but I'm actually recording with my phone, so I can't. But it attaches to your phone wirelessly, so you don't have to plug in. Automatic off, shut on and off. I like to turn that off too, because I don't really like that feature. But yeah, that's the truck. Got all the camera options you would want. You got 360 view. So, you can see over top, behind you, in front of you, behind, in front, behind, overheads, and then also your wheels. So if you're off-roading, you can see your front and rear, what you're actually in front of, and your trailer hitch. And then if you do have the trailer on as well, it will give you those blind spot warnings as well. So this one, like I said, does have the leather interior. It's got the Z71 package insignias. It's also a little dirty already. I apologize. Lots of room. Very roomy, actually. It's way more room in this than there was my 2014. By a long shot. Storage in behind the seat, and as well under you have a compartment Tons of room. Of course, your back seat armrest and cup holders. Also have some cup holders here, and your climate control, your connection ports. But the thing I really like about it is the look. The Midnight Edition has everything blacked out, so even the Trail Boss logo is in black and white, or black and gray I should say. The rear, Chevy's in black, Silverado's in black, LT is in black, the bumpers are all painted black, sensors, except for the Regan sticker, which they snuck on there after I bought it. I did get the rain guards on it just because I like it. The 6.2 badge is blacked out as well. You said 71 is blacked out. Comes with blacked out rims, Wrangler tires, the 2-inch lift kit from factory, as well as your top coat caps for your mirrors. Another great feature that I kind of like about this one is where I didn't have it in the old one. I can actually hook this one up to my phone, which makes it a lot more useful. They didn't show you the bed liner either. Lots of features, too many to list, to be honest with you. So far, absolutely love it. Rides like a dream, tons of power. Like I said, it's got the 6.2. I don't know if I'll regret that or not later on with the price of fuel, but for right now I'm enjoying it and loving it. And yeah, I'm never going to take it actually off-roaded. It's definitely a mall crawler, and you can hate on me all you like for that, but I like the look of it. So anyway, I am going to call that the first video, the welcome to my truck, and we'll do some more videos and updates as we drive it some more.